Superbikes are not built for humans. They're built for limits. Limits the human body was never designed to handle. And once you understand this, you'll never look at a superbike the same way again. From the outside, superbikes look perfect. Sleek. Beautiful. Powerful. But what most people don't realize is that these machines evolved faster than the human body ever could. Your eyes, your brain, your reflexes. They all have physical limits. Superbikes don't. At extreme speed, your brain processes information slower. Vision narrows. Time feels distorted. The bike is still stable. Still precise. Still demanding more. That's the problem. The machine doesn't slow down for you. Professional riders train their bodies like athletes. Neck strength. Core strength. Mental endurance. And even then, they're fighting physics. This isn't about fear. It's about reality. Because superbikes are sold as dreams. Freedom. Power. Control. But the truth is uncomfortable. These machines don't adapt to humans. Humans are forced to adapt to them. So next time you see a superbike disappear down the road, remember this. The machine isn't dangerous. The limits are. If this made you think, you already know what to do.